Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of DC Collectors. Today, we're taking a look at the Lego BrickHeadz Batman from the Lego Batman movie. Now, before we get into this Lego build, please, if you will, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the like button so you'll be notified of all my brand new episodes each and every, I try to post every day. Now, on to the Lego set. This particular Lego set has 91 parts. It's going to be a quick build, and it's part of their semi-new BrickHeadz assortment. Now, this came out around the time the Lego Batman movie came out, which was at this point a couple of years ago. And this was one of the first BrickHeadz that came out from that series. And I also believe there is a Joker, Batgirl, and Robin figure along with these, and we'll build those at a later date. But we're going to take a look at this one and build this one. So, without further ado, let's get into this build. So there it is, Lego set 41585 Batman, the Lego BrickHeadz Batman from the Lego Batman movie. Alright, hit that subscribe button and that like button and check me out on DCCollectors.com each and every day. Peace.